It is beginning to look like the City of Memphis, Tennessee is going to have a blue Christmas this year. Be sure to stick around as we're going to discuss what the City of Memphis decided to do to infringe on the Second Amendment rights of those residing or visiting the city, and more importantly, what is being done to stop it. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Firearm Firm channel. I'm attorney James Phillips, a founding partner of Katz & Phillips PA and co-author of Florida Gun Law Armed and Educated and Tennessee Gun Law Armed and Educated. So what does anti-gunners do when they cannot get anti-gun legislation passed? Well, the anti-gunners in Memphis decided to enact city ordinance to get what the legislature just wouldn't give them. I have to admit, this one really pisses me off, and it goes to show you that anti-gunners will do anything to infringe on your right to bear arms, even if it means the total disregard of the law. I'm pretty sure the City of Memphis knew Tennessee had a preemption law, but then again, why let that get in the way of accomplishing their agenda? Let me step down from my soapbox and let's talk about what happened, and more importantly, what is being done to put the City of Memphis back in their place. Back in July of this year, the Memphis City Council decided to put together a gun control ordinance known as Ordinance number 5908 that would, 1, ban the unlicensed carry of a handgun on your person or within the interior of a vehicle, and would require that all firearms stored in an unattended vehicle be concealed and locked away. For those that don't know, Tennessee is a permitless carry state, and anyone who is 21 years or older and can lawfully possess a firearm may carry a handgun openly or concealed without obtaining a license. Second, the ordinance would ban the possession and commercial sale of assault rifles. Now, what's really interesting about this is the ordinance does not define the term assault rifles. The last thing the ordinance would do is create an extreme risk protection order, or what is commonly referred to as a red flag law. Everyone who follows this channel knows exactly how I feel about red flag laws. It definitely doesn't change, and I still hate them. Under Ordinance 5908, any individual who has been determined to be dangerous in a hearing without the individual subject to the extreme risk protection order being present or even having knowledge of the proceedings can have their firearms seized and be prohibited from purchasing, possessing, using, manufacturing any kind of firearm. Ordinance number 5908 was approved by the voters within the City of Memphis on November the 5th of 2024, and now all 3 gun control acts are set to take effect on January the 1st of 2025. Although the City of Memphis does not seem to care, like Florida, Tennessee has a preemption law that prevents cities, counties, towns, municipalities, and metropolitan governments from carrying on these exact type of shenanigans. Section 39-17-1314, subsection A of the Tennessee Code Annotated reads, except otherwise provided by state law or as specifically provided in subsection B, the General Assembly preempts the whole field of the regulation of firearms, ammunition, or components of firearms or ammunition, or combinations thereof, including but not limited to the use, purchase, transfer, taxation, manufacture, ownership, possession, carrying, sale, acquisition, gift, device, licensing, registration, storage, and transportation thereof, to the exclusion of all county, city, town, municipality, or metropolitan government law, ordinances, resolutions, enactment, or regulations. No county, city, town, municipality, or metropolitan government, nor any local agency, department, or official shall occupy any part of the field of regulation of firearms, ammunition, or components of firearms or ammunition, or a combination thereof. For all of those who are just as pissed as I am about what the City of Memphis has done, you will find some comfort in knowing that as of November the 13th, 2024, a named individual, Gun Owners of America, and the Tennessee Firearms Association has filed a lawsuit seeking declaratory and injunctive relief from the City of Memphis and Sarah Lynn Davis in her official capacity as the chief of the Memphis Police Department. If you follow the channel, you know I'm a huge fan of Gun Owners of America and have worked on several lawsuits on their behalf. Although I don't think I've ever mentioned it in any of the videos. I am licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and I am also a member of the Tennessee Firearms Association. Both of these organizations are huge advocates for the Second Amendment, and if you are not already a member, I highly recommend joining either organization or join both. I will attach a copy of the complaint for declaratory and injunctive relief down in the description section for anyone wanting to read it. Attorney John Harris, who I've have the pleasure of co-counseling a lawsuit with on behalf of GOA against the ATF, is the attorney representing the plaintiffs in this action. Mr. Harris is a very skilled and seasoned attorney when it comes to defending the Second Amendment. So I completely look forward to watching him spanking the City of Memphis for their unlawful acts. Be sure to let us know what you think about what the City of Memphis has done by enacting these gun control measures in spite of Tennessee's preemption law down below in the comments section, where you can also leave any questions you may have about this video or any other Second Amendment related question. Also, if you believe the Second Amendment is worth fighting for, be sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe to the Firearm Firm channel by clicking on the subscribe icon located down in the bottom right hand corner of this video. Until next time, stay armed and educated.